VK Sashikala, close aide of late Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha, has been admitted to Bengaluru's Bowring Government Hospital after she complained of fever and breathlessness in the prison. Sashikala's condition right now is stable. Sources have told us that she was shifted to an emergency ward late last night from a normal ward as her oxygen saturation level dropped. This is for the second time yesterday that she was moved to the emergency ward. In a statement, the Bowring Hospital said that on arrival, Sashikala's oxygen saturation was at around 79%. Coupled with fever, she was given antibiotics and oxygen, after which her condition stabilized. Hospital authorities are currently waiting for her RT-PCR result to rule out COVID-19. Sashikala has tested negative so far in the rapid antigen test, but to ensure that all necessary steps are taken, she's also undergone an RT-PCR test. Remember that Sashikala is going to be released from Parappana Agrahara jail on January 27. That's the date she's scheduled to walk out of prison. So the update we can tell you, and sources have told us in the hospital, that Sashikala was rushed into the emergency ward again last night after her oxygen levels dropped a bit. However, we are being told she is very much stable, so there's nothing to worry about. What, however, is being looked into is the fact that several of her symptoms are indicative of COVID-19. The rapid antigen test that has been done, the result was negative. However, they're awaiting the result from the RT-PCR test. Nolan Pinto is joining us live from Bengaluru. Nolan, good morning. What's the latest update on Sashikala's health?
Well, good morning, Akshita. In fact, the information that we are getting from our sources is that she could be suffering from SARI, which is severe acute respiratory infection. Now, this is the reason why last night, after she was shifted from the emergency ward, that is, she was brought to the emergency ward from the prison, then shifted to a normal ward. At around between 12 and 1 in the night, she was then shifted to an emergency ward once more when her oxygen saturation level dropped. She is now in the emergency ward, we are told. Her condition is stable. But Akshita, we must remember that the doctors tell us that when they brought her there, she was already suffering from comorbidities, hypertension, hyperthyroidism, and also diabetes. And she had fever and cough. As of now, her condition is stable. What we are told is that in the middle of the night, her relatives and friends and supporters, some of them did arrive at the hospital, created a ruckus because they said that they wanted to meet her. Her nephew, this is what sources tell us, is also in the city. He's speaking to the jail authorities, requesting them that since her condition is, well, she's stable as of now, but he would like to meet her and find out for himself what's the situation.
Okay, we'll be tracking the latest updates for the moment. Thank you very much, Nolan, for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.